Hello friends, welcome to Scholarate. So we will continue our last session, that is the applications of trigonometry in our daily life. So previously we have discussed the basic concepts regarding this chapter, and previously we did two problems, and now we will continue with the third problem. You can see over here that the question is given like this: the angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of a tower is 30 degree, and that of top of a tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. So we are given the tower is 50 meter high, so we have to find out the height of the building. Okay, so let's convert this question into a diagram so that we can find out what we have to find. So you can see over here that there is a building. The angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of a tower is 30 degree. Okay, let's draw. First it's a building. Okay, let's draw the horizontal line. Okay, that's the ground level or the horizontal line. That's the building. Okay, let's make it shorter one. Okay, that's much. And there's a tower, so it's the building and it's the tower. So first we are given that angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of a tower is 30 degree. So there's a foot of the tower and there's a top of the building. So here the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So this angle is how much? It's 30 degree. Okay, now the and that of top of a tower, that is the angle of elevation of top of a tower from the foot of the building. So there's the building and here is the angle of elevation. So this angle is how much? This angle is 60 degree. The height of the tower is given. Okay, let's name the points. So we just have to find the DC, that is this one. So what we can do, we have to apply the tan formula, that is the tan theta formula, and we can find the base, that is the BC or CB. We have to find this length BC. So at first we will initialize everything. The angle DBC is given as 30 degree. And the angle ACB is given as 60 degree. Now in triangle, which triangle? ABC. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is how much? Perpendicular by base. So that's our perpendicular and the base is unknown. We have to find the base. So the perpendicular is AB and the base is BC. Tan 60 degree is how much? It's root 3. AB is how much? It's 50 meter. So how much is BC? So BC is 50 by root 3. So we have got the base BC. It's 50 by root 3. Now again in right angle triangle DCB. So it's how much? It's DC by BC. Tan 30 degrees how much? It's 1 by root 3. DC is how much? DC is the unknown quantity. We have to find it. So DC is equals to how much? It will be BC by root 3. Now BC is how much? BC we have already got. It's 50 by root 3. So we will get 2 root 3's over here. So how much it will be? It will be 50 by 3. And we all know 50 by 3 is equals to 16.67 meters. So that is the height of the building. So we have got our first answer. So the problem was very simple. We have to draw the diagram which will easily help you out. Now next move on to the next problem. The angles of depression of two ships in the sea observed from a 75-meter high lighthouse are 30 degree and 45 degree. What is the distance between the two ships? At first you have to know the lesser is the angle of depression, the greater will be the distance. So the angle of depression of this ship, that is 30 degree, is smaller compared to 45 degree. So this 30 degree ship will be farthest from the lighthouse. Now let's draw the diagram. At first I will draw the base. Then there will be a tower of the lighthouse. It's lighthouse. It's 75 meter and there are two angles of depression, one 30 degree and another is 45 degree. So 45 degree it will be like this, and the 30 degree, as I mentioned before, the lesser is the angle, the greater will be the distance. It will be here. Now let's mark the points. we have to find the CD, the distance between the two ships. This length we have to find. Now this angle is how much? It's 45 degree, and this one is how much? It's 30 degree. Now what we can do? At first we can apply the tan theta formula in two triangles. That first, the bigger one, that is ABD, then we will get the entire BD length. Then on ABC we will get the BC length. So BD minus BC we will get CD, that is this one. At first initialize everything. Now the bigger triangle, that is ABD, the perpendicular is AB and the base is BD. We have to find the BD. So AB length is how much? AB is 75 meters. And tan 30 degrees how much? It's 1 by root 3. So all over this will be how much? It's 75 root 3. So that's the entire length, the BD length. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, tan 45 degrees how much is AB by BC? Now tan 45 degrees how much? It's 1 and AB is 75. So BC is equals to 75. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the length of CD, and CD is how much? BD minus BC. Okay, now you have two options. You can keep the answer as it is, okay, or else you can put the value of root 3 and you can simplify it further, but I'm just leaving it over here. You know the value of root 3 we have discussed in the previous problem. It's 1.732. I'm writing over here. So you can put this value and simplify the problem further, but I am leaving this problem right now. Now next move on to the next problem. It is given that from top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a tower is 60 degree and angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 45 degree, and we have to find out the height of the tower. So it is given that the building is 7 meter high and the angle of elevation of a top is 60 degree while the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree, and we have to find the height of the tower. So at first I'm just keeping the base. So let's assume that this is the tower and this is the building. I'm just making it smaller. So we are looking from top of the building. Top of the building, the angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree while angle of depression of your foot is 45 degree. So that's how much? That's 60 degree. While this line is how much? It's 45 degree. I'm just drawing another baseline over here. Just like this, okay? To make the problem simpler. Now this one, it's 60 degree. And this one is how much? It's 45 degree. Now the building height is given, it's 7 meter, and we have to find the height of the tower. At first we have to know the base length, that is BC. We have to know this length at first. So what we can do, at first we have to apply the tan formula in the smaller right angle triangle, that is ABC. So how much is the angle? It's 45 degree. And tan 45 degree value is how much? It's 1. AB is already given 7 meter, and we can easily find out the BC length. So BC is how much? BC is also 7 meter. Now we have got the base. So 7 meter means this AE line is also 7 meter. Now we can apply the tan formula again in triangle ADE, so that we can find out this height. But it won't be the height of the entire tower, okay? It's the part of our height. So let's find it first. So its perpendicular is how much? Its perpendicular is DE and the base is AE. We all know that tan 60 degree value is root 3, and DE is unknown length, and AE is already we have find out it's 7 meter. Now D will be how much? Now the DE length is 7 root 3 meter. Now in the diagram we have got this portion that is 7 root 3 meter, and this portion, the remaining portion, to complete the entire tower, it's CE. This length is how much? It's already given in the question that this length is 7 meter, and you can see over here it's forming a rectangle ABCE. So the opposite sides will be equal now. So this side and this side will be equal, so it will be also 7 meter. So we just need to add these two lengths so that we can find out the entire tower's length. So tower's length is how much? It's DC. It's broken into two parts, DE and CE. So again I am leaving this to you. You can put the value of root 3 as 1.732 and you can further evaluate it. So that's the end of today's video. So we have completed the chapter applications of trigonometry, and in the next video we will bring some more topics regarding mathematics and some other subjects. So thank you so much and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.